police commando personnel killed, 5 others injured, 2 of them critical as suspected Kuki militants attack Tronglaubi village and Bistapur district. Assam Manipuri Students Union claims fight between Meitei and Kuki Chin tribe in Manipur, not with the tribals. North is likely to witness heavy rainfall over the weekend due to cyclone Mocha, according to the Indian Meteorological Department. Good evening and welcome to IS English News, and I'm Laita Monica with you. Now the news in detail. 1 police commando personnel has been killed and 5 others injured, 2 of them critically, in a fierce gunfight with suspected Kuki militants in Bistapur districts, Tronglaubi and the Moirang police station this morning. Reports said the militants, numbering about 100, were armed with sophisticated weapons. The heavily armed militants first launched attack against the village of Tronglaubi and the foothills of Tangjing around 8 a.m. The villagers retaliated with licensed guns, resulting in an exchange of fire. Later, police commando personnel from Bishnupur police station exchanged heavy fire with the militants. In the gunfight, 1 commando personnel was killed and 5 others injured. According to sources, among the injured, 2 are stated to be in a critical condition. The slain personnel has been identified as Haisnam Jitain, aged 40 years, resident of Thanga Haisnam Lekai in Bishtapur district. A Kuki militant was also killed and 1 Assam Rifles Jawan injured in a fierce gun battle that took place at Bukau and Imphal East yesterday. The gun battle ensued after Kuki militants and the suspension of operation attacked Bukau Santipur village. The heavily armed militants attacked a Meitei village from a hillside. 1 militant was neutralized in retaliatory fire by security forces and 1 Assam Rifles Jawan was injured. The All Assam Manipuri Students Union, Manipuri People's Front, Manipuri Basti Meirapaibi Women's Association and the World Meitei Council Assam unit have strongly condemned the violence that took place in Manipur between the indigenous Meitei and the Kukis. Addressing the media, Hari Singha, General Secretary Assam World Meitei Council, says that they would like to clarify that there is no fight between Meitei and tribals. The fight is between the Meitei and the Kuki Chin tribe. The association claimed that since last year, following the government's crackdown on illegal poppy cultivation in different parts, and many illegal Kuki Chin immigrants migrated from Myanmar who were doing illegal poppy cultivation into Rachanpur, and the adjoining districts were not allegedly happy with the anti-drug policy of the state government. Further, he claimed that the fight is also not between Christians or Hindus, which has been wrongly so cast by the media outlets. The association has also urged the state government of Manipur and the central government to bring peace to the valley state along with the different communities of Manipur. PH Furitsabam Birmani, advisor Manipuri People Front Assam, also asserted that thousands of Kuki people are infiltrators and have been creating some problems or the other. Birmani also said that in recent years, the state government came to know that the huge population of the Kuki Chin migrated from Myanmar have illegally encroached upon the reserved forests of Manipur, and because of this, the number of Kuki Chin population has increased by around 30% in recent years. The Indian Meteorological Department forecasted that due to cyclone Mocha, Tripura and Mizoram are expected to record heavy rainfall at isolated places on May 13 and heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places on May 14. Meanwhile, Nagaland, Manipur and South Assam will also record heavy rain on Sunday, that is May 14. The cyclonic storm Mocha is also likely to move northwestwards and gradually intensify into a severe cyclonic storm around the night of today. Thereafter, it is likely to recover gradually, move northeastwards from the 12th of May morning and intensify further into a very severe cyclonic storm around the 12th of May evening over the central Bay of Bengal. It would reach its peak intensity around the 13th of May evening. It is likely to cross southeast Bangladesh and North Myanmar coast between Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh and Kwakpyu, Myanmar, close to Sitwe, Myanmar, around noon on the 14th of May 2023, with a maximum sustained wind speed of 140 to 150 km per hour, gusting to 165 km per hour. Undeterred by the feeling of being harmed and the hardships that he will go through during a long journey, that too in a conflict zone, a 65-year-old man from Mizoram has embarked on a 445-kilometer-long walkathon mission to promote peace and harmony in violence-hit Manipur. Lalbiak Thanga, a resident of Lawipu, on the southwestern outskirts of Aizawl, began a life-risking journey on foot to Manipur's capital, Imphal, on Wednesday. He was flagged off by Mizoram Journalists Association MJA president in Aizawl, with some clothes and eatables in a rucksack at his back and a staff fixed with a banner that reads, "Peace for Manipur." He was determined to promote peace and convey the message of love in the neighboring state that witnessed violent clashes leading to the death of over 60 people and injuries to several. He was deeply hurt and shocked by the ethnic violence that rocked the neighboring state in the past few days. Some locals brand him as the true Mizo nationalist and a pacifist who promotes peace and humanity through walkathons on several occasions in the past. The farmer will have to cover around 445 kilometers in over 2 weeks to reach Imphal via Churachandpur. He said that he will sleep on the roadside whenever he is unable to reach human settlements for night hold during his journey. He will pass through areas where militants are active. The brave-hearted but feeble old man said he will first arrive in Churachandpur town, which was one of the most affected in the recent clashes, and then proceed to Imphal depending on the situation. Meanwhile, India reported about 1,690 new COVID cases in the last 24 hours, taking the number of active cases to 19,613, the Union Health Ministry said on Thursday. The daily positivity rate is now 1.15%, while the weekly positivity rate stood at 1.63%. In the last 3 years of the pandemic, India has reported more than 44.9 million cases and 531,736 COVID-related deaths. Health experts said currently admissions are happening in those individuals who are elderly and have comorbid conditions. So people need to take their booster dose if not done yet. Scientists have said that the XBB .1.16 variant of coronavirus is responsible for the current cases. But the infection is supposed to be milder in nature and not lead to a rise in hospitalization rates, as Indians have likely developed hybrid immunity due to the vaccination and natural exposure to the disease. The center, however, has urged people to wear masks in crowded places and complete their vaccination doses. Now the sports news. India's Rhythm Sangwan has won the bronze medal in the women's 10-meter air pistol event at the ISSF World Cup 2023 for rifle and pistol shooters in Baku. She scored 219.1 in the final to finish third behind Anna, 2016 Rio Olympic champion Anna of Greece, and 2004 Athens Olympics gold medalist Olena of Ukraine. It was Sangwan's first individual senior medal at the Shooting World Cup. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. One police commando personnel killed, 5 others injured, 2 of them critical, as suspected Kuki militants attack Thronglaubi village in Bishnupur district. Assam Manipuri Students Union claims fight between Meitei and Kuki Chin tribe in Manipur, not with tribals. And North is likely to witness heavy rainfall over the weekend due to Cyclone Mocha, according to Indian Meteorological Department. That's all we have for the time being. Keep watching IS News.